How to recover a restricted Meta Business Manager account. So if your account been restricted, don't worry and don't panic. In this video I'll show you exactly how to recover it. So firstly guys, we need to understand the reason why your account has been restricted. To check this, you just go into your dashboard on business.facebook.com, and on the basically the home screen you will see the red banner or alert saying your account has been restricted, and in there you just click on see the reason or see details. Meta will explain the reason. It could be due to unusual activity, a policy violation, or payment issues. Make sure you understand what triggered it before taking action. Okay, and if you believe the restriction was a mistake, you can request a review. So go to Help on the bottom left, click on Help. In here, as you can see, my account is disabled and my ads stop running. Alright, and in here, as you can see, my account is disabled, and you can see that, the restrictions are as follows, pretty much all of them that exist. And this account is disabled because I didn't comply with one or more of the advertising standards for business assets. So pretty much what you have to do is to confirm your business. So for that, Meta may request documents like a government issued ID, business registration certificate, and payment proof for your ad account. So you can upload them carefully and ensure they match your registered business information exactly. Alright, and after going into your certain business, guys, as you can see, we'll have this page that will explain that our account was restricted and also which restrictions are taking place now. And if you want to request a review, you just press on this button in here. For me, it's somehow crossed off and grayed out. And after that, just like I said, you will be able to provide your documents. And after that, they will, of course, review them, and if everything checks out, you'll be able to, of course, appeal the decision and bring your account to the proper state and have all these features restored back, and you can use them more. And the review of your request typically takes 24 hours to a few business days, and you'll receive an update via email or Facebook notifications about the results. So this is how you recover a restricted account on Meta Business. If this helped, drop a like and check the video description for direct links to the Meta Help Center and policy review page.